Hi, Tracy here, TNAPI on Twitter. This tutorial is on the wonderful plugin called Twitter Tools, and I've brought up Alex King's website. He is the creator of Twitter Tools and many other fine WordPress plugins. And basically, as you can see here, it kind of tells you a brief synopsis on the details of what Twitter Tools actually does, and it actually integrates Twitter with your blog, and it will archive your Twitter tweets. It will create a blog post from each of your tweets, create a daily digest post of your tweets, create a tweet on Twitter whenever you post in your blog with a link to the blog post. And that's actually the one that I love and use, primarily what I use Twitter Tools for. It'll post a tweet from your sidebar, post a tweet from the WordPress admin screens, and it'll pass your tweets along to another service with an API hook. So anyway, it does a lot of things, but it's basically integrating Twitter and your blog together. So you can download it from here, or you can also download it from the WordPress.org plugin directory, either one. I've already done that, so I'm going to go to my dashboard and I'm going to click install a plugin, and I will do another tutorial later on as to how I am able to install a plugin so easily. It's another plugin that I use to be able to install things without having to use an FTP program. All these little tools that I have to make life easier for you, I'll show you later. But anyway, on to this one, on to Twitter Tools. Anyway, see how easy that was? Don't you just love that? Anyway, click to activate the plugin. And now it's telling me that there's already another upgrade available, and I'm going to do that, and it's going to upgrade it automatically. So I'm going to click that button to automatically upgrade to the very latest one, which I think is awesome. It's telling me, wow, the download file that I had was a little outdated, so I'm going to get the very latest version. And now it's telling me, okay, this is a new one, and there's settings that I need to set for Twitter Tools. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to go set my settings, so it'll integrate with my Twitter. Okay, so I need to enter in my Twitter. Okay, and then I'm going to test my login, see if I'm good to go. Oh, I'm going to assume that I'm good to go because it's not telling me anything. Enable option to create your tweet when you post to your blog. Yes, I want that. Now, I actually do not use all of these other features for me personally. I don't want to create a blog post from each of my tweets. I personally don't want to use that. If you wanted to do that, this is where you would set all that. I don't want to create a daily digest. If you do, you can certainly change all of that. If you wanted to do that, you could certainly do that. But I'm just going to click Update Twitter Options. And it will save that for me. Okay. Now, if I want to say, for example, this is a widget ready. Say I should be able to go to widgets, and there should be a widget listed now for Twitter Tools. There it is. Okay, I'm going to add a widget, and I can, what I'm doing, I'm going to put what I'm tweeting so it makes more sense. What I'm tweeting, and I'm going to click Done, and then I'm going to click Save Changes. So it saves, you have to click, you change anything within each individual widget, you need to save it, and then you need to click to save it again to save the whole entire sidebar. Okay, now I've got a window open here for my blog, And this is the way it was, and I need to click and refresh my browser to see if it'll show up over here. It should show up. See, there it is. There's what I'm tweeting. The last things that I was tweeting are right there. Okay, now I actually have a blog post that I had created and had ready to go that I had like as a draft. And what I'm going to show you is how you can send it when you create a new post in your blog, how it will actually send it to Twitter. And here it is, and it's actually another video tutorial that I created on the Automatic Upgrade plugin. And if you'll go down here, see how it says notify Twitter about this post? All you have to do, that's the Twitter tools. All you have to do is tick that. And now I'm going to publish this. And it's going to post it on my blog. As soon as it's done, it'll be posted on my blog. So yep, see, there it is on my blog. Now let's go to Twitter. Let's check my updates and I'll show you what it looks like when it posts it to Twitter. See? New blog post. WordPress Automatic Upgrade Plugin Tutorial. That's via Twitter Tools. There you go. Pretty cool. Very awesome plugin integrating Twitter with your blog. Very simple. There you have it. Tracy at GenesisBlogging.com. Speak to you soon.